I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So do you have a trip planned this fall? I know we do. We're headed to Maine in just 2 weeks, I guess. And so traveling can be an exciting adventure, but packing can be a source of a lot of stress and frustration. And embracing that minimalist approach to travel packing can actually transform your journey, making it smoother, more organized, and more enjoyable. And by focusing on just the essentials and reducing clutter, you can ensure a stress-free travel experience that aligns with that healthy, minimalist kind of lifestyle. So I know that packing for me has always been a problem, but this particular vacation coming up, I've committed to having just one small carry-on and just make it work. So I'm learning as I go. So here's how to pack like a minimalist for your next trip. And so certainly the benefits, packing minimally can mean much less stress, which translates to an easier, more flexible travel. A lighter bag is easier to maneuver when you're navigating crowded airports, bustling cities, and so forth. And you'll also spend less time worrying about enjoying and then also enjoy your trip more. So also minimalist packing can save you money. With fewer items, you can avoid the checked baggage fees and hassle of waiting at baggage claim, which is my biggest reason for wanting to travel lighter. And also all that hassle of just waiting. So that additional lighter bag can help you stick to the strict weight limits that are imposed by the budget airlines. So it also reduces stress. So a cluttered suitcase can lead to a cluttered mind. So by packing only what you truly need, you simplify that travel experience and you reduce the stress of dealing with the excess belongings, knowing exactly where everything is in your bag and making your journey more pleasant and less chaotic. And then before you start packing, make a list of essentials based on your destination, the length of your trip, the planned activities, and also the weather, and prioritize items that are versatile and that you can use in multiple settings. So this way you can ensure you'll have everything that you need without overpacking. So choose versatile clothing. When you select clothing, make sure that it can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. So opt for maybe neutral colors, simple designs that can be dressed up or dressed down. A pair of jeans and a t-shirt, a versatile dress, and a lightweight jacket can cover various occasions and various weather conditions. And then also bring items that serve multi-purpose. That scarf that can be a blanket on a chilly plane, or a beach cover-up that can be an accessory to change up your outfit, or reusable water bottle can help keep you hydrated and cuts down on the plastic waste. Multi-purpose items help you pack less while still meeting your needs. Also, I have found packing cubes to be almost a miracle for me because it is a minimalist thing to do, I suppose, but they help organize your belongings, making it easy to find when you need them without rummaging through the entire bag. So cubes can also compress your clothing, allowing you to fit into things to fit into a smaller space. And then limit the toiletries. So when you get to a hotel, usually they have toiletries anyway, and things that you absolutely need, like makeup and things like that, for sure, but otherwise limit the toiletries that you bring. And then embrace your digital tools. So in the digital age, many traditional travel items can easily be replaced with digital alternatives. Instead of packing books, download your ebooks, audiobooks, or on your device. Use the apps for the maps and the travel guides and the tickets, reducing the need for the physical ones. And then stay active. So a minimalist approach to travel also aligns with the healthy lifestyle. So pack lightweight, portable exercise equipment like resistant bands or a yoga mat. Take advantage of opportunities to walk, to hike, to bike, and explore your destination. And then, of course, eat mindfully. So eating well on the road is easier when you pack smart. Bring healthy snacks like nuts, dried fruit, granola bars to avoid that temptation for fast food. And a reusable container can help you store leftovers in the refrigerator to prepare simple meals. So a minimalist mindset is about valuing the experience itself over the possession. So by packing light, you free yourself from that burden of the material things and open up the space for the new experiences and the adventures. So focus on the journey, the people that you're with, the people that you meet, and also the memories that you're creating. And then stay present. So traveling minimally encourages mindfulness and also presence. Without the distraction of excess belongings, you can fully engage with your surroundings and savor each moment of your trip. And then if you're ready for your next adventure, adopt a minimalist mindset to travel. Packing can lead to a more enjoyable and stress-free journey. By focusing on just the essentials, you simplify your life and your travel experience, and you enhance your overall well-being. So for more tips on minimalist living and decluttering, check out my essentials checklist. It's decluttering workbook. It's a guide. It's a 30-day, has 30-day challenges. It has specific checklists. And it turns your decluttering journey into a joyful adventure. You can go to my website, Design Services Ltd, to get yours today.